Hi, nice to meet you. This is Vera from Lazon Medical Laser. I'm very happy to have this opportunity to explain the difference between Solase Pro and Solase. I will introduce in 4 aspects: wavelengths and indications, specification, control mode, and design improvement. I'm going to start from wavelengths. Solase Pro can emit 3 wavelengths laser: 450 nanometer blue laser, 650 nanometer red laser, and 980 nanometer or 810 nanometer near-infrared laser. But old model Solase only has 1 wavelength, 980 nanometer or 810 nanometer. Why we add another 2 wavelengths? Because these 2 wavelengths have their own advantages. 450 nanometer blue laser has been used in dentistry since recent years and gets more and more popular. Compared with infrared laser, blue laser can achieve more effective surgery at lower power because it has very high absorption of hemoglobin. In some articles, the cutting efficiency of blue laser 1.5 watts is even better than 980 nanometer 3 watts. That means you can cut faster and easier, and using lower power can reduce high temperature damage to the surrounding tissues. Besides, using 450 blue laser, you may not need tip initiation. This will save a lot of misunderstanding that the dentist says cutting is not very good because they don't know how to make good tip initiation. Moreover, 450 nanometer light is widely used in tooth whitening, but normally they use LED light, not laser. 450 nanometer laser can activate the whitening gel with higher photon energy. You can save more time to get same performance, and you don't need to use special laser whitening gel. You can also use zoom whitening gel. By the way, the whitening handpiece is different for new laser and old laser, although they look the same. So in the Solase Pro, we use 450 nanometer instead of 980 nanometer in following surgery indications, such as gingivectomy, frenectomy. We add non-ablative depigment preset, which using blue laser to remove melanin without contact tissues. Also some cutting preset. In the new laser, 650 nanometer is not only aiming beam anymore. We increased the power from 2 mW to 400 mW. 650 nanometer is a very traditional and effective laser wavelength for low-level laser therapy. This wavelength increases the activity of cell and promotes blood circulation. Its performance is better than 980 nanometer in bell stimulations. So, in our new laser, we use 650 nanometer instead of 980 nanometer in therapy, pain relief, and wound healing indications. We also add more new presets with 650 nanometer laser in low-level laser therapy aspect, such as bone repair, post-surgical pain. In general, 980 nanometer or 810 nanometer are very good wavelengths. We can use these 2 wavelengths in most of delta laser indications. Solid single wavelength laser is already very comprehensive. You can see their power. However, each wavelength has its own advantage. Adding 450 nanometer and 650 nanometer into Solase Pro improves the laser performance and treatment efficiency strongly. This is also the trend of dental laser in future. If you want to save some budget, you can choose a dual wavelength Solase Pro with 450 nanometer removed. There are 2 options in the right place. From this specification page, we can see the Solase and Solase Pro 2 wavelength version can have higher power in 980 nanometer or 810 nanometer wavelengths. Solase uses app on the phone to control the laser with Bluetooth connection, which is sounded complex for some dentists. Now on Solase Pro, we use built-in Android software, no more connection step to set up the laser. The software is almost the same as Solase app, easy to use and adjust all parameters. We add more presets and some functions. For example, you can add some presets as favorites at the top of the list. Pedal indicator will tell you if the pedal connection is well. Wavelength selection is at the right bottom. You can count the power output not only by time and energy, but by energy density. Easy for the dentists who don't know how to calculate energy density in therapy treatment. Besides, the Android software has Wi-Fi function to update. With the developing experience of Solase, combined with customer suggestions, we made some improvements on Solase Pro. First of all, we use big screen, looks better. We added a charging indicator so you can know if the laser is charging when it is shut down. The green light is on when charging, and the green light is off when it is fully charged. Secondly, we improved the optical fiber interface so that it is inside of the machine and the dentist can now disassemble it at will. And this design reduces the situation that the optical fiber is broken there due to strong pulling. We also added a hidden fiber management system on the back to protect the optical fiber when the machine is stored. The hidden iron inlet and the hidden handle make the machine more compact and beautiful. We also changed the packing box material from cotton to plastic. Solase Pro is larger and more heavy, but still looks small and very portable. In conclusion, Solase Pro is an upgraded version of Solase, using almost the same accessories but with more powerful functions. It improves in response to various suggestions from customers and follows mainstream trends, but Solase Pro continues the style of Lazon, focusing on laser and pursuing the accuracy and stability. Thanks very much for watching.